Hi guys, we're going to go on to the next chapter of our book today. The chapters are named after the innings of a baseball game, so chapter 2 is called the second inning. On the second slide, you'll see there's some pictures of some silly things if we're talking about baseball. We have a dentist pulling teeth out of a man and a guy in a rocking chair on the baseball field. That's because the first part of second inning is about how players in the Negro Leagues would try to be funny during the game. They would do these comedy routines where they were trying to act like they were pulling teeth out of players, and sometimes they would sit in rocking chairs right in the middle of the game on the field. Sometimes they would stand in the middle of the field reading a newspaper. They were trying to do things that were funny. And the fans really liked that, but some of the players didn't because they wanted to be more serious about the sport. This part right here is the message you're listening to from me right now. And then when we're done with this, you will click on this one, and Mr. Hornbuckle, our principal, is reading this chapter to you. So that's really cool. Be sure you've opened the PDF of the text from the Google Classroom assignment.